Is your HP DeskJet 3700 showing offline and not printing? Don't worry. In this quick guide, we'll show you simple steps to fix it. First, make sure your printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Next, go to your computer's printer settings, select the HP DeskJet 3700 and uncheck Use Printer Offline. Restart your printer and computer. This refreshes the connection and often resolves the offline error. If the issue continues, reinstall or update the printer driver for your HP DeskJet 3700. If your printer is still offline, our experts at Techy can help. Call 1-866-203-7571 for fast printer troubleshooting and repair support.